The results are in tonight. Millard families have decided whether they are going to pay more in taxes for the sake of their schools and their kids' education. Let's get right to the numbers tonight. 19,422 or 63% are for the mill levy override. 11,636 or 37% against. Say yes to MPS wins. Tonight, the decision is expected to give the district, which has already made budget cuts, a cash infusion of about $9 million. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. That means some homeowners would end up paying more than $100 each year in taxes. So how do people feel about it? Reporter Maya Hines has reaction.
Jen, Craig, administrators and parents are obviously happy with the results, but still a good 11,000 people voted against it. And many tonight kept saying the word frugal as they move forward after the vote.
And there were almost 1,000 people who volunteered as part of this effort.
After weeks of posters and campaigning from parents and supporters of the tax levy override, voters tonight said they support Millard schools.
I think we found out that people in our community really value education and are willing to dig into their pockets to pay a little extra to make sure that we maintain a high quality of education for all of our young people.
Our teachers are going to go back into the classrooms tomorrow recognizing that there's been an overwhelming groundswell of community support for the work they do.
Superintendent Jim Sutphin says now the district will work to stabilize their budget.
We will do what we need to do to continue the programs that we have, always keeping in mind the cost of those programs.
This levy is an insurance policy. We're only going to use it if our state funds don't come in and our regular property tax come in. We're not adding new programs. This is to maintain the high quality programs we already have.
Millard School Board President Mike Kennedy wants to speak to those who voted no and discuss their continued concerns.
Budgets are tight for a lot of people. We have a lot of people that are on fixed incomes and all that, and I understand that they voted no. I think what the 63% that voted for the levy override said, we trust the Board of Education. They've been very frugal with our dollars, and I want to reach out to those people that voted no and say, trust us, we'll spend the money wisely.
With the new override, Millard schools can levy up to an additional 9 cents per $100 of tax valuation. District administrators said they don't anticipate using the full 9 cents in the next school year. Reporting live from the studio, Maya Hines, 3 News Now.